Note down this, guys, this table. Okay, first look at it here, understand this. At zero level of income, an economy has autonomous consumption expenditure of 20. It means autonomous savings are minus 20. So APC is how much? It is C upon Y. You know this. So C upon Y is infinity. Am I clear, guys, or not? APS is S upon Y. So that is minus 20 upon 0, and this is also infinite. We cannot, infinite means we cannot calculate it, right? Here we cannot calculate MPC and MPS. Why? Because to calculate marginal, we need the change, and for that we need to at least two data set, means two set of data, right? So that I'm making here. Income has become 0, and now consumption expenditure has also increased to 50. Sorry, income has become 50. C also has become 50. So S here is 0. Correct? You know that, guys. C plus S is equal to Y. Do not forget these formulae. Right? There are many formulae in this chapter. Do not forget any of them because very soon we are going to start with numericals of it. So here APC is how much? 50 upon 50. That is 1. MPC now we can calculate, that is change in consumption expenditure, which is 30 divided by change in income, that is 50, that is zero point 0.6, right? APS is 0 upon 50, so 0 upon 50, that is 0. And MPS is change in savings. What is the change? What is the change here in savings? 20, right? That is 0 minus minus 20 means plus 20. And change in income is 50. That is 0 0.4. If income becomes 100, it becomes 80. So now savings are 20. That is 100 minus 80 is 20. Right? So APC is zero point 0.8. MPC is change in consumption expenditure, that is 30 divided by 50. That is zero point 0.6. APS is 20 divided by 100. That is zero point 0.2. And MPS is change in savings, that is 20 divided by change in income, that is 50, means zero point 0.4. Clear? If income becomes 200, let's say C is 120, it means here we have 80. So APC is 120 divided by 200, that is zero point 0.6. MPC is change in consumption expenditure, that is 40 divided by change in income is 100. So zero point 0.4. APS is savings upon income, that is 80 divided by 120 means zero point 0.4, and it is change in savings, that is 60 divided by change in income 100, that is zero point 0.6. Is it clear, guys, all or not? Yes. Yeah, okay, here I have taken, it is 200.4, right? Okay, I'm inserting one more data, guys, to show you one thing here. If income becomes 30, expenditures, let's say 40, so this is minus 10. So APC is 40 divided by 30, that is 1.33. MPC is 20 divided by 30, that is how much? 0.67. And APS is minus 10 divided by minus 30, sorry, divided by 30, that is minus 0.33. And MPS is how much? Change in savings is change in savings is 10 positive, right? Minus 10 minus 20 means minus 10 plus 20 means 10. Divided by change in income is 30 minus 0, that is 30, means 0.33. Is it clear, guys, or not? Are you all understanding, those who are online, guys? Those who have attended the previous classes where I showed all these calculations of APC, MPC, APS, MPS. I'm asking Amatullah,
Sir,
Mansha,
many of
Sarthak.
classmates.
Yes,
I
sir.
know that, yeah. Manya, Tahir, Amatullah, you understanding this?
Yes, sir.
This is 300 divided by 500. That is 3 by 5 means 20.6. Right? This is 200 divided by 500. That is 0.4. This is change in, sorry, this will come here. And MPC is change in consumption. That is 180 divided by change in income. That is 300. That is how much? zero point 0.6. Correct or not? And change in savings is 120 divided by 300, that is zero point 0.4. I hope, guys, you all are getting this. Yes or no? Okay. Why I showed you this multiple data? Because I wanted to make you understand one more thing, that APS can never be equal to 1 or more than 1, nor MPS. Whereas APC and MPC, they both can be 1 or more than 1. But these two cannot be 1 nor more than 1. I wrote this here, guys. APS and MPC can also be more than 1. Means APC and MPC can be lesser than 1, 1 or more than 1. Right? But not with APC and MPC. APS, I am sorry. Right? If, guys, you have understood this, start noting it down from here. With this, guys, we are done with one more chapter, that is propensity to consume and propensity to save. No, no, it's left. One more portion is left. I'm sorry. Please note down this much, guys, first. ये अच्छा, ये मैंने इसके तो थर्ड का क्यों सबका ही बदलेगा? हाँ, थर्ड के पहले ठीक है, इन दोनों के बीच में इंसर्ट किया है इसको. So for third, the MPC is how much change is 10 divided by 20? That is 0.5. And here change is 10 divided by 20. 0.5. Here also 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. 0.6 plus zero point 0.4 is 1. And the same is also here. And that is what, guys, is relationship between APC and APS. And what is the relationship? Is this one. So what is the relationship? The sum total of the two is, it also means that APC is equal to 1 minus APS, or APS is equal to 1 minus APC. Do not forget, guys. Use करने वाले हम numericals में. Are you getting my point? Mansha, Manya, Sarthak, Amatullah, and Tahir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes,
next is
sir.
relationship between MPC and MPS. That relationship is this. That so both the relationship I have proven here these with these equations, right? Start noting it down from here, guys. From here, guys. Next that we have in this chapter is consumption function. Mark this all. So, guys, this function helps to determine consumption expenditure of an economy at a given level of income, or at a certain level of income, with the help of MPC and Autonomous consumption expenditure. It is presented as C, that is consumption expenditure. This one, the plus, which is sum total of C bar, that is autonomous consumption expenditure, plus product of MPC and Y. Product of MPC and Y. Now, what does this mean, guys? Actually, this function, understand this. This is nothing but this is total consumption expenditure. Where C is total consumption expenditure. And total consumption expenditure has two parts. One which does not depend on income at all, and that is autonomous consumption expenditure. And the one which depends on income, and that is calculated with the help of MPC and Y, right? Because we know that the consumption expenditure which depends on income moves in a specific way, and that depends on MPC. So suppose MPC of an economy is zero point 0.6. Listen to me carefully, guys. All this is the last thing for today. We will continue this consumption function tomorrow. Suppose you know that MPC of an economy is zero point 0.6. It means when income of an economy increases by rupee 1, its consumption expenditure will increase by 60 paise. That is what is the meaning of MPC being zero point 0.6, right? Now let's say you are informed that income of the economy is going to increase by 1,000 crores next year. Next year income will increase by 1,000 crores. And you also know the MPC of the economy, which is zero point 0.6. It means by how much consumption expenditure will increase or by change? 600 crores. That is zero point 0.6 of 1,000, right? So that is the change in consumption expenditure, correct? And plus autonomous consumption expenditure, that is C bar. That will give you total consumption expenditure of the economy that time. Am I clear? I hope guys you have got this, right? Right, those who are online guys. Mansha, Manya, Tahir, have you understood this to some extent what I just explained? We will continue this tomorrow, guys. This is guys product of MPC and Y. The decimal that I have put here or the point that I put here actually denotes sign of multiplication, right? So guys, that's it in my in macros class today. Now, Mancha, you have to log in immediately for re-log in with the same credentials for your commerce class.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, Mancha.